What is the primary gas in Jupiter? Here is the answer. Hydrogen! Where is Olympus Mons located? The answer is Mars. How many moons does Mars possess? The correct choice is 2. Who predicted Neptune's position? Did you guess it? The answer is Leverrier. What is the brightest night star? Answer: Sirius. Why does the moon lack air? Here's the answer. Low gravity. When was Hubble launched? The correct choice is 1990. Where is the Great Red Spot? The answer is Jupiter. What shape is the Milky Way? Time's up! It's spiral! How long is a light year, roughly? And the answer is 9.5 trillion kilometers. Who noted galaxies are receding? Here is the answer. Hubble. Why was Pluto demoted in 2006? The answer is orbit path. When did Apollo 11 land? Answer: 1969. What is the hottest planet? And the answer is Venus. Where is the asteroid belt? Did you guess it? The answer is Mars, Jupiter. How many planets are official? Did you guess it? The answer is 8. Who first used a telescope? The answer is Galileo. What is the sun's surface heat? Here is the answer. 5,500 C. Why is Mars red in color? And the answer is iron oxide. When was Uranus found? And the answer is 1781. Where is the Kuiper Belt? The answer is past Neptune. What causes a solar eclipse? Here is the answer. Moon shadow. How wide is the Milky Way? The answer is 100 KLI. Who was the first human in orbit? The correct choice is Gagarin. What is the densest planet? Time's up, it's Earth! Why do stars seem to twinkle? The correct choice is atmosphere. When did the Big Bang occur? The answer is 13.8 billion. Where is Polaris found? The answer is North Pole. What is the Crab Nebula? Did you guess it? The answer is supernova. How many main rings has Saturn? Answer: 7. Who identified black hole Cygnus? Time's up, it's Wheeler. What is the moon's orbit time? The correct choice is 27.3 days. Why is the sunset red? The answer is scattering. When did JWST launch? Here is the answer, 2021. Where is Proxima Centauri? The answer is Centaurus. What is the Chandrasekhar limit? Did you guess it? The answer is 1.44 solar. How is a neutron star formed? Answer: core collapse. Why is expansion accelerating? Here is the answer: dark energy. Who found the CMB radiation? Answer: Penzias Wilson. What is a Schwarzschild radius? Time's up! It's event horizon! When did ionization end? Answer: 1 billion years! Where is the solar apex? And the answer is Hercules. How does lensing work? Did you guess it? The answer is bending light. What is the CMB temperature? Answer: 2.7 Kelvin. Why is dark matter needed? The answer is galaxy speeds. Who coined the term black hole? Time's up, it's Wheeler. What is Hawking radiation? Here is the answer, BH evaporation. When was LIGO successful? Here is the answer, 2015. How is dark energy measured? Did you guess it? The answer is supernovae. Where is the great attractor? Answer: Laniakea. Great job. Did you ace this quiz? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge.